Hi, my name is Aaron Berman. I am a PhD candidate in the Department of Economics at MIT, and I'm very excited to be part of the incoming cohort of new Martin Fellows. My research focuses on the economics of the environment in developing countries, and in particular on the tension between economic growth and poverty alleviation on the one hand, and environmental quality on the other. And these are topics and themes that I hope to continue pursuing under the auspices of the fellowship, and I'm very excited to have the opportunity to do so.
My name is Lidia Cano Pecharoman. I'm a PhD candidate at the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, and my research examines what happens when stakeholders, both human and more than human, are given a seat at the table when planning for climate adaptation. I hope to build a body of evidence that contributes new policy solutions to reduce the effects that extreme weather events are having on communities, and that builds their resiliency in the face of climate change.
Hello, I am Omar Tantawi, a third-year PhD candidate in the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at MIT. My work in the Plata Lab is aimed at extracting sustainable plastic design principles and testing new plastics degradability in a high-throughput system that meets commercial throughput needs. This is critically important as the world continues to produce more and more plastic, which eventually will leak into the environment.
I'm Sandy Kurth, a PhD candidate in the Department of Architecture in the Design and Computation group. My research revolves around 3D printing buildings out of mud to build extremely thermally and structurally performative buildings out of very, very low carbon local materials.
My name is Caroline, and I'm a PhD student in anthropology. My research looks at some of the key challenges and strategies in making sure that renewable energy projects have community buy-in, and that the costs and benefits of these projects are fairly distributed.
Hi, my name is Carlos Diaz, and I work on the design of extremely moisture-hungry materials for water and energy applications. We aim to use these materials to capture moisture from the air and convert it into drinkable water. Additionally, these materials can also be used to store thermal energy, which coupled with air conditioning can significantly enhance the efficiency of these devices and decarbonize the sector.
Hello everybody, I'm Shaindeep. I'm a third-year grad student working with Professor William Green in the Chemical Engineering Department. My primary focus has been developing hydrogen carriers and technologies that enable the use of hydrogen as a fuel to decarbonize long-haul trucks, ships, and the aviation industry.
Hi, this is Yichun Fan, a PhD candidate of the Department of Urban Studies and Planning. In my PhD dissertation, I utilized large-scale urban digital trace data to uncover human adaptation behaviors that are essential for our understanding of social causes of environmental hazards and latent drivers of adaptation disparities.
My name is Abe Herzog-Arbeitman. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in chemistry studying polymer chemistry to improve the durability of polymer network materials like rubbers and impart better mechanical properties to specialty materials like biodegradable plastics. I also study polymer electrolyte materials for next-generation batteries, with the ultimate goal of designing better batteries for decarbonizing electronics and transportation.
Hi, my name is Anna Russo. I'm a fifth-year PhD student in economics at MIT, and my research uses tools from economics to think about how we can tweak the rules of offsets markets to help them live up to their potential. I'm really looking forward to meeting everyone and to participating in the fellowship this coming year.